What is up, YouTube? It's Rapid Scratcher back at you, and today we got another Pokemon video. We've got five more, we got 5 packs of the Steam Siege. We usually don't go this route, but found them in the store. Thought I'd pick them up, see what we can get. These are the XY. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Pack number 1. Of course, these are hard to open. Okay, 1, 2, these are only 3 from the back. Okay, Lampent, Bravery, Nuzleaf, Rufflet, Ponyta, Meowth, Litwick, Hoppip. Ooh, a nice reverse holo rare. And we got a nice Yveltal holo. Beautiful card. Let's go ahead and put these back up. Pack number 2. One, 2, 3. Okay, we got Drifblim, Claw Fossil, a Drifbloom, Apom, Mankey, Shellis, Krogonk, and same reverse holo rare, and another Bastodon rare card. No holo that time. We did get a nice two rare cards out of that one. Pack number 3. Got a piece of tape stuck to me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Skiploom, Armor Fossil, Bravery, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta, Rufflet, Ponyta, Reverse Holo Trainer, Gardevoir Spirit Link, and we got a Cobalion. Just a rare. Nothing crazy out of that one. We got 2 more packs to go here. This is our 4th pack. One, 2, 3 from the back. Claw Fossil, Persian, Anorth, Rufflet, Shellis, Quancher, Meowth, Hoppip, Jumpluff, and a nice Armadillo. Non-holo. Okay, the 5th and final pack of Steam Siege. Can we get a last pack magic? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Skiploom, Captivating Pokepuff, Clang, Seedot, Drifloon, Mario, Shellis, Mantine, Mario, and we got a Samurott rare card. Well, guys, unfortunately we didn't get any pulls out of this one. But we did get we were able to open a new set on the, it's not a new set, but it's a new set for the channel. I haven't opened Steam Siege on the channel yet, so that's super cool. I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace.